This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 16th. Stock index futures holding up very well in spite of economic reports today that were quite a bit weaker than anticipated. We had retail sales coming in down 3% when a decline of 0.5% was expected. Also, we had capacity utilization and industrial production both coming in quite a bit weaker than the guess. So overall, stock index futures performing well in spite of those negative numbers. And I still think it's the low interest rate environment that will dominate and continue to support stock index futures. In the currency markets, we're seeing the dollar index coming under a little pressure with those weak economic reports. Also, you have the euro currency a little bit stronger with the ZU Institute saying that the German Economic Expectations Index has improved in March. Also, we do have some central bank meetings other than the Fed today and tomorrow. The Bank of England will meet on Thursday. The Bank of Japan will meet on Friday. In the interest rate futures markets, of course, all eyes centered on the Fed this week, with today the first day of the two-day FOMC meeting. Most analysts believe that the Fed will probably not do anything substantial or even hint at the possibility of any type of increase in their asset purchase plan. I am in a minority thinking that they will at least hint of the possibility of increased asset purchases. This would be in keeping what other central banks have done recently, including the Reserve Bank of Australia and the European Central Bank, all adding to their asset purchase plan. So I'm in the camp, in fact, in a very small number of analysts thinking that the Fed will address this issue. So either way, it does look like upward pressure on long-term interest rates, I believe, will be limited. And I think the Fed and other central banks will be somewhat successful in that endeavor. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.